Hey, welcome back. I did a video recently on how to use Substack for your newsletter, for your email marketing. So, Substack is a free platform where you get to write to your email subscribers, you get to write to your friends, to your people, to your you can actually use it for your company, just like I'm using it for mine, Seamless Live Consult. But for this video, I'm going to focus mainly on how to add subscribers, how to add new emails to your Substack, how to add new contacts. So there are three ways to add contacts on your Substack. That's your emails. The first one is through the link that you share. That's your subscribe link. You can share it directly with your people, your friends, or your business, your clients, and all. So you can share that with people. The second one is you come to your Substack and you click on subscribers. You come once you've logged in, you click on subscribers, and then you come here to subscribers, and then you come to add subscribers. You click on add subscribers. So once you click on add subscribers, there are two ways, the other two ways you can add it. The first one I said is the link. The second one is through adding emails. So you just come here, you type the emails t@gmail.com, then you add a comma and type the next email. So that's the way you keep adding the emails, and then you can now add all the emails. So it might be difficult for you to type all the emails. So you can just, especially if you have people that signed up on Google Form, or you have emails already, people that probably through giveaways or business client and all. You can just have the emails copied out. Then once you've copied those emails out, then you go to probably DeepSeek or ChatGPT or any other AI. Ask the AI to clean the emails, remove duplicates, and also add comma in between the emails. So just ask the ChatGPT to do it for you. It will clean the emails and also add the comma in between the emails. Then you just come here and paste the results, and then you add the emails, so it will be easier for you instead of just coming to type the emails yourself or pasting them one after the other. That would be very, very difficult. So that's the way I do mine for emails that I have through the Google form. So you can come here and add, and you most times also on Substack, if you don't add the comma, Substack has a way of picking the emails even without the commas. But I advise you to add commas, and for you to use the ChatGPT or the DeepSeek to do it. So the third way is through your CSV, that's your Excel file, your Excel sheet, probably Google Sheet or Excel sheet. So you have your CSV or your XXX file or ODS file. So what you have to do is, if you have subscribers on MailChimp or Tiny Letter or any of your mail, maybe probably Aweber, or all you have to do is download your email list as a CSV file, and then come here and click on choose file. So once you click on choose file, you can import any of the files that you've chosen, or you can also add your own files, just for so those are the three ways of adding emails to your Substack. So you can add first through the link, second through the emails directly typing it, and the third one is through uploading the file. So let me know if you have any other questions regarding Substack. I will definitely create a video on it. So drop your questions in the comment, and I'll be glad to help you out and resolve the question. So guys, subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much. Bye.